Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on stock market, and before we get started, please hit that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon, and that link will be down below in the description. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is up almost 0.5%, and Nasdaq up whopping 1% out of nothing. And this thing just pushing and pushing because of those mega caps. And then we got S&P up 0.64%, hitting a fresh new all-time high. And then Russell also going up more than anyone, 1.50%. And here's 11 sectors that makes up S&P 500, and you can see pretty much everything in the green today, and a risk on move here in the market. Leading the way on top, technology, and then we got consumer cyclical, utilities, communication services, real estate, healthcare, basic materials, industrials, consumer defensive, financial, and energy lagging behind. And what we got here on stock market map, we got a massive rally, and I said it before, Tesla getting extremely oversold. It just days away, you're going to see a massive rally, up 4.5% almost. Amazon going up 1.19%. Netflix, we actually played this one to the upside calls, and this thing is up 1.12%. Meta up another fresh new all-time highs, 2%. Google also going up 0.83%, and Nvidia going up 2.29%. Microsoft hitting another fresh new all-time high, up 1.39%. Apple staying flat on the day, and this is another play that we took, and this was also a fantastic trade today. Want to show you guys a couple other things that are coming here as a catalyst. Tomorrow we got job opening right here, and that could also shake up the market a little bit right here, but nothing big on Tuesday. And then we got, especially on Wednesday, right here at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, we got FOMC. So that is something to watch, and I think market is waiting for that. You know, it was actually chopping pretty much up until 1 p.m. and then we saw the market just taking off and going straight up. And then we got this big earnings tomorrow. Right at opening, we got Pfizer, GM, UPS, JetBlue. And then right after the bell, we got Microsoft, AMD, and Google, and Starbucks right here. So you're going to see a lot more, volatility in the market going into next few days. On IWM, it's up 1.72%, so massive breakout on IWM, and I actually called it before that. It's been flagging right here. We get that breakout above 198, and trust me, I've been playing IWM pretty much the whole week last week and even today. Getting that breakout over 198, and that was it. And now you can see almost trading at 200. So going into tomorrow's session, you need to watch this breakout now as a support 198, and below that you need to watch 5-day moving average 196.30, 195, and then this gap 192.83. Now IWM can push above 198. You're going to see 202 right up here, and then possibly going all the way up to 205.49 to retest this high on IWM. So that is going to be big if this thing can actually hold 198 as a support going into tomorrow's session. And here's my X account, and if you're on there, definitely give me a follow. And there is no subscription, nothing you gotta go through. It's totally free, and you do find a lot of information on my X account, including my plays, like from today, this right here. And let me show you guys this one. This was a fantastic play today, and I'm still holding a runner. And you can see this one, Netflix calls strike 600. It was only $2.70, and now I think it's trading close to $5. I got out right here with profit and still holding some runners. And this thing, you will see in a minute, we got actually a hammer candle on Netflix. So I think by tomorrow, maybe end of the week, this thing can go up to 600. And then I also have these right here trade ideas, and you can see Apple also coming down to that level 189, 190, and this one also paying and now trading close to 192. So this was also a fantastic trade. And look at this one here, guys. IWM also coming down, and then I actually took a longer expiration on IWM for this month, 16th, and this thing definitely paid. You can see right here $2.22, and now it's trading over $3, still holding some runners for FOMC. Now all these trade ideas, and not only that, you can also find charts right here on my X account, and you can see IWM anytime we could see that breakout. Now if you want to support the channel and get all these explosive trade ideas right here, then check out the Patreon, and you can see all these trade ideas are coming on Premium Plus and live trading starting next month. But people that are in there already, they're getting all the benefits. So go ahead and check it out, and that link will be down below in the description. On DIA, it's up 0.5%, and just like I said in my video before, that watch out for the next target, and that is 384. And look at this, guys, pushing and pushing, and now almost getting up to 384, and that's gonna be a big resistance to watch on DIA. Above 384, it's going to take some time, but above 384, we could see a move all the way up to 390. Below 384, you want to watch this support down here, and that is around 380 to 381, and then watch out for a move all the way down here, possibly down to 20-day moving average 377, and then we also have strong support down here at 376, and below that this thing can come down significantly all the way down to 371. On QQQ, it's up 1%, so that was it. This was the pullback we got last week, down to, what is it, 423, low for the day, and that is it. Again, just like right here and right here, dip buyers coming in and buying up the dips before any major pullback, and now it's trading at 428. And also, if you look at my screen, and I said it before also, that watch this 5-day moving average, and now you can see we actually got under 5-day moving average, and now went right back up and now holding above right here. I would say 426 5-day moving average right here, 425.52 to be exact, but this thing will move up tomorrow. So 426, that's gonna be your line in the sand to watch. And you can see right here we also got a rejection around 425, 426 before. So that's gonna be a strong support to watch. But if this thing actually continues this move to the upside, the next stop 432. Below 426 to 425, watch out for a dump off down to 420, and then 417.51 all the way down to this gap 413.58. On SPY ETF, it's up 0.79% and hitting another fresh new all-time high and closing at an all-time high today. That is just insane. Closing at a new fresh all-time high, 491.27, got up to 491.42. So also hitting this target 490, and looks like now above 490, this thing can push up to 495 to even 500, and that is just insane because we haven't seen any big correction or a pullback where this thing is down like 4 or 5%. I'm not even saying 7 to 10%, guys, 4 or 5%, and this thing going straight up. Now we cannot bring the market down, we cannot push the market up. All we can do, play the market the way it's playing right now, and so far no significant pullback. Small dips are getting bought up, just like here and just like here, and now again hitting a fresh new all-time high. So going into tomorrow's session, 490 will be a level to watch, and just below that 487, 485, and then this gap just under 483. SPY ETF can push, and this thing can hold 490. The next stop 495. On VIX is up 2.71%, and look at this candle right here, guys. I mean, this thing got destroyed, and you can see it was up actually on the day, got up to almost 15, but this thing got destroyed, came back down, and now holding above 13. So on VIX, no big breakout unless we get some bad catalyst. This thing breaks out above 15. That is when you need to watch 18 bucks right here. That is going to be the next stop on VIX. Until we get that breakout, watch out for the support down here, $13, and below that this thing can come down all the way down to 12.03. On 10-year, it's down 1.66%. So this one also taking a back seat and barely holding right here at 41 into closing. So this is going to be your line in the sand on 10-year. 41 gives up. This thing can drop possibly down here. I would say watch around 40, and then who knows, maybe down here, down to 38.80 to the upside. Now, TNX 10-year needs to break 5-day moving average right here, and that is sitting at 41.41 right here. And above this resistance right here, you're going to see a push up to 42 and then 43.70. Looks like, it's just barely holding 41 right here. And anything that is actually trading below 5-day moving average, that's not bullish. And you can see right here, this thing is trading below 5-day moving average. And that means one thing, there might be a little bit more push here in this market to the upside. So the dollar not going down and staying absolutely flat on the day. Now look at these candles right here. Dip was bought up, and finally today this thing got crushed. Got up to almost, 103.82, and then sold off all the way down to the support 103, holding 5-day moving average right here, 103.47 to be exact. So this is going to be your level to watch on dollar right here, 103.47. And below that, this thing can come down to 103, 102.61 to the upside. Dollar can break and hold 103.58. That is when you're going to see a move up to 104 to this upper Bollinger Band, and then 104.48. Until then, guys, market is not stopping for anybody, but I would not go and chase and open up some new position here in this market, because we all know that one pullback, one bad catalyst can bring this market down, and within I would say 5 to 7 days you're going to see a lot of the gains just erased from this market. So you don't want to go and chase anything. That's the point. Market is not going to crash anytime soon. I'm not calling for a crash, but at this point, and also guys, fear and greed index, it's actually at extreme. People are greedy. Nobody's taking profit. People are just buying into buying and buying into buying. Machines are also buying, and things are just going up, and that is just not healthy. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And also be careful going into FOMC and those big earnings this week.